Hi there, and welcome to the Dill Project. This is a project for CS121, and my name is Matthew Duff, and this is my functioning prototype. So originally, we had forecasted to use 2 plants on this, but it seems that I'm actually running into some power constraints. So I've decided to opt for just 1 plant, and the power thing has come down to pretty much just using the 5 volt versus the 3 volt. The 3 volt seems to be more effective because when using the 5 volt it seems to interfere with the relay. Now I do have another plant over here. I decided to leave this guy out for the prototype video, just to go over the basics. So I guess we will start with the main star of the show, the Raspberry Pi. And right here you can see I have a camera set up that's directed at the plants right here. And that is on a timer so that it can capture a time lapse of the plants growing, which I do have a small little time lapse for it. It's kind of hard to get the time lapse to look good, especially when I've been moving the plants around a little bit. So I only have about 20 pictures or so of the plants in a time lapse that's even. But besides that, attached to the Raspberry Pi, I've kind of made my own little waterproof case to protect it because I was a little afraid about having all this water on my desk. So I just want to keep it safe. Now, the first thing that it's attached to is my 8-channel relay right here. And so my 8-channel relay is in charge of, running this light up here and running the pump. Now, these things are powered through the GPIO pins over here, and in addition to what the GPIOs are powering, it's also powering this moisture sensor right here, which can be seen. I'll flip it over a little bit. These things are a little bit finicky, so I try not to touch them too much. But yeah, you can see it has 2 LEDs on it. If it has 2 LEDs illuminated like it does currently, then that means that the plant, or the moisture sensor, which is here, is sensing moisture in the soil and does not require water currently. So when this signal changes on the moisture sensor, it emits a signal back to the Raspberry Pi, which will turn on the pump that I have located in here, which just kind of funnels out and then goes into the plant right here. I've been kind of moving the pump around a little bit, trying to figure out what is the best position for the water, and this definitely seems like it's it. It seems like it doesn't overflow the plant and gets the moisture sensor quickly enough so that the water doesn't get watered too much. Now, so there's that, there's the picture, there's the light and the pump and the plant, and these are all kind of working together now. I've written a program that keeps track, watches the moisture sensor, keeps the light on a timer, and also makes sure that the camera is snapping a picture every so often. So I'm going to just come over to the interface over here. And on the interface over here, I was kind of finicking with the moisture sensors earlier, as you can see by the beginning of the program, turning the pump on and turning it off. But if you look at the last line there, it's about to take a picture, smile, got it. And then, so after that, that picture is saved to a folder on the Raspberry Pi, which I can then transfer and then with an image editor put it into kind of a GIF. So with all of that, that is kind of the Dill project. And right now it's nighttime. I'm going to trust that my light does work. I have tested it multiple times. The timer is run off the schedule package in Python and seems to be pretty reliable. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you kind of the functionality. Even though the plant doesn't need water right now, I'm going to pull out the moisture sensor, and you're going to see that you're going to hear the click of the relay, and it's going to turn the pump on. As you can see, it's watering now, and then I stick it back in, and all of a sudden the pump is stopped, and as you can see, it's sensing moisture again. So that is kind of my functional video, and you can see over here that it was able to register that. It said turning the pump on right underneath the, after I asked it to take a picture, it turned the pump on, stopping the pump, just as I just showed you. Originally I wanted to do 2 plants, but again, restating, the Pi just did not seem to have the power to be able to run both moisture sensors. So I've decided to stick with 1 plant, and this is the Dill project, and thank you for watching.